Hey everybody, it's May 23rd. We got the Grumpy Trade long range EPS set up here. We got the stocks in place, so let's get into this here. The first is SE. We got this counter trend short setup. We got this fresh new low in price here, and it's forming under this flat to declining 5-day moving average. So the trade idea is to take this mean reversion back to this 20-day moving average premises. And what we're looking to do is to see if we can monitor a little pullback, a little push back up into this 161.59 region. And then we're looking to see if we could get a breakdown beneath 160 to trigger that short. And then we could start with a stop here at that lower high here potentially. And maybe we could get a trade back down into this 158, this prior support on the daily time frame we could see here. And potentially some more room to run down into this month-to-date VWAP at that 151, and then just above that 20-day moving average. So this could be a potential nice fade if the market decides to pull back a little bit, where we got a fresh counter trend trade, potentially being able to ride that 5-day moving average into some support levels. Next on the list is this FUTU. It's back on the radar. And this is a multi-day VWAP setup. Price is consolidating above this two-day VWAP here at this point in time now. And we could see we're above this 111.30. So what we're looking to do is to see if we could get back above this 112.60. If we get back above 112.60, monitor some continuation back up to 114.25 and potential push back up into this 116. You can see we got this VP node here on the daily time frame, which coincides with this former area of resistance on the daily chart. So ideally, we're looking to get that target at this 114.28, 114.25, and looking for the break above 112.60 with a potential stop here at 111.33. Next on the list is BCRX is back up, and we could see this gap up on earnings, and it's been barcoding. We got to close back above this year-to-date VWAP, and we could see every time we get up at this 1050, just above it, we get supply released. So looking to see if we could get strength off this 1025 premises. If we pull back into this 1025, get some strength, and if we're able to hold above this 1030, if we're able to hold above the 1044, this could set up a low risk entry for continued push back up to $11. So we're looking to see if we could get a pullback down into that 1025 or this 2-day VWAP even, get back above 1044. If we get back above 1044, monitor 1050 for the break, push it to 1060. Maybe we get something like that, and we could fill up, get some trading, get back up into that upper range of these two prior daily candles. And then there's a potential stop up in this 1040, 1030 premises. Next on the list is PBI. And no, this is not, take this off the list. This would be a second day play, potentially, we're setting up, right? So what we're looking for here on the second day play is this pullback to this 980 premises right here, into this 2-day VWAP. And if we get back above $10, this could potentially give us a trigger to get something going. And we could maybe get back up to this 1050 premises, where we have this prior VP node and this level of supply here, this former level of support that could act as resistance. So second day play, look for a flush into this 980, 990, reclaim the $10, and then look to play a breakout above $10 pretty much for a push into 1050. AVGO. This is also on the watch list again, and it's up here, been barcoding for the past couple of days. We had this shakeout, and now we're back holding above 225. So we're looking to see if we could get strength above 232.90. If we got strength above this 232.90, look for continued strength back up into 237, 240. However, if we're not able to hold above this 230 area and we start to break below 228, this could be a potential fade down to this 222, 220 premises, and maybe even back down to this month-to-date VWAP. So if price hits here, isn't able to get back above that 230, this could potentially be a fade back down into that 217 premises. If we do get that shakeout and we start to get back above that 2 and 3 day VWAP at this 230, 35, 230, 50, 231, 50, then we could look to see for upside continuation potentially back to that 237, 240. If you like these kind of videos and analysis, please like and subscribe.